introductions, and personal information. What is your name?
My name is David.
Where are you from, David?
I am from Canada.
What language do you speak in Canada?
We speak English and French.
Do you live in a city or a town?
I live in a small town.
What is your town like?
It is very quiet and friendly.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach science.
Why are you learning English?
I want to meet new people.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like hiking.
Where do you like to go hiking?
I like to go to the mountains.
Do you have a favorite season for hiking?
Yes, my favorite season is autumn.
Tell me about your family.
I have 2 younger sisters.
What do your sisters do?
One is a nurse and the other is an artist.
What does your mother do?
She is a librarian.
Topic 2. Daily routine and activities. What time do you usually wake up, Maria?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
First I check my phone.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you often have for breakfast?
I often have fruit and yogurt.
How do you get to school?
I walk to school.
Is it a long walk?
No, it is a short walk.
When do your classes start?
They start at 8 o'clock.
What do you do after your classes?
I usually go to the library.
The library? Every day?
Oh yes, I love to read there.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually cook dinner.
Are you a good cook?
No, I am not a very good cook.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Interesting. What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I visit my friends.
What do you do with your friends?
We watch movies or go to the park. Topic 3. Hobbies and past experiences. You said you like hiking. What else do you enjoy?
I also enjoy photography.
Oh, what do you like to photograph?
I like to photograph birds.
Wow, that sounds difficult.
Yes, it is, but it is fun.
Have you ever traveled for photography?
Yes, I went to Brazil last year.
Really? How was it?
It was incredible. The birds were so colorful.
What is the most interesting bird you have seen?
Toucan. It was amazing.
I've only seen those in cartoons.
They are even better in real life.
Did you have a favorite teacher when you were in school?
Yes, my biology teacher, Mr. Davies.
Why was he your favorite?
Because he made science so exciting.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my sister and her new baby.
Oh, that's lovely. How is the baby?
He was very small and very cute.
What was the last book you read?
A book about bird behavior.
It was fascinating.
Have you ever thought about writing a book?
Oh no, I am happy just taking pictures.
Topic 4. Future plans and opinions. What are your plans for next year, Maria?
I plan to visit the United States.
Which city do you want to see?
I want to see New York City
Oh, the Big Apple. Why there?
because I want to see the tall buildings and the museums.
Do you think you will live there one day?
Maybe, but it is very busy.
What will you do after your trip?
I will start university.
That's great. What will you study?
I will study art history
Why art history?
because I love old paintings and stories.
Do you think English is important for your studies?
Yes, absolutely. Many important books are in English.
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to work in a famous museum.
I'm sure you will. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself living in Europe and working in a gallery.
Do you want to have a family in the future?
Yes, one day I hope to have a family.
Philosophically, what is the most important thing in life?
I think happiness and health are the most important things.
What is your favorite thing about learning English?
My favorite thing is talking to kind people like you.
Do you have any advice for new English students?
Yes, do not be afraid. Just talk and have fun.
Thank you for talking with me today, Maria.
You're welcome, David. It was a real pleasure. Topic 5. Food and cooking. David, can you cook Canadian food?
Oh, yes, I make very good pancakes with maple syrup.
I love pancakes. Are they difficult to make?
No, they're very easy. I can teach you.
I would love that. What is your favorite ingredient?
I really like to use cinnamon.
Cinnamon smells wonderful. What food do you dislike?
I really dislike olives. They're too salty for me.
Oh, really? I love olives. Do you often eat in restaurants?
Not often. I prefer home-cooked food.
Who is the best cook in your family?
Decisively, my father. He is a fantastic cook.
That's nice. What is his best dish?
He makes an amazing beef stew.
Wow. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I always drink coffee. It helps me wake up.
I understand. Do you take sugar in your coffee?
Oh, no. I drink my coffee black.
You are very strong. What is a typical food from your town?
We are famous for our apple pie.
I love pie. Is it sweet?
Yes, very sweet and delicious.
Topic 6. Travel and adventure. You want to visit New York. What else is on your travel list?
I also want to see the pyramids in Egypt.
Amazing. That is an old dream.
Yes, since I was a child. Do you like to travel?
I love it. Adventure is good for the soul.
What is the most beautiful place you have seen?
The mountains in Peru. They took my breath away.
Oh, was the journey difficult?
Yes, very difficult, but worth it.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
Mountains, always. The air is so fresh.
I agree. What is your best travel memory?
Fondue. watching the sunrise over the Machu Picchu.
Oh, that sounds magical. Do you take photos when you travel?
Of course, I take hundreds of photos.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
Usually alone, it is more peaceful.
Aren't you ever lonely?
Sometimes, but I meet many interesting people.
What is the next country on your list?
Japan. I want to see the cherry blossoms.
A perfect place for a photographer.
Exactly.
Topic 7. Home and culture. David, tell me about a Canadian tradition.
We have a big celebration on Canada Day, July 1st.
What do you do on that day?
We have barbecues, watch fireworks, and wear red and white.
What is a popular holiday in Mexico? The Day of the Dead. It is very colorful and beautiful.
Is it a sad holiday?
No, it is a happy celebration to remember our family.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. Do you decorate your home?
Yes, we make altars with flowers, photos, and candles.
What does your house look like?
It has white walls and a big sunny kitchen.
That sounds lovely. What is your favorite room?
The kitchen, because it always smells like food and family.
My favorite room is my study. It is full of my books.
What kind of books do you have?
Many science books, but also poetry and travel guides.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, a small one. I grow tomatoes and herbs.
You are a real gardener. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, it is very relaxing for me.
What is the weather like in your town today?
It is cold and cloudy, a perfect day for reading.
For me, it is hot and sunny, a perfect day for swimming.
Topic 8. Feelings, opinions, and deeper thoughts. Maria, what makes you feel nervous?
Speaking English sometimes makes me nervous.
You don't need to be. Your English is very good.
Thank you, David. That is kind of you.
What was the happiest day of your life?
The day my little sister was born.
That is a wonderful memory. What makes you angry?
I get angry when people are not fair or honest.
I understand. What do you do when you feel sad?
I listen to music or talk to my mother.
Is your mother a good listener?
Yes, she always knows what to say.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is losing my family.
That is a very common fear. What is your greatest strength?
I think I am a very determined person.
Yes, I can see that. What is one thing you want to change about the world?
I want everyone to have access to education.
That is a beautiful goal. What does friendship mean to you?
Friendship means trust, laughter, and support.
What is the most important lesson life has taught you?
To be kind, because everyone is fighting a difficult battle.
That is very true. Maria, it has been wonderful talking to you.
Thank you, David. This conversation has been a great joy for me.